Okay, so let's get into one of the wildest tech stories of the year.
The internet went wild when Resident Evil star Milla Jovovich was linked to a revolutionary new AI.
And yeah, this one comment pretty much sums it all up. We are living in the weirdest timeline.
So, why does an AI even need a better memory? Well, it's simple. Just like us, AIs forget things.
You can see the problem right here with the forgetting curve. Memories just fade away without practice.
The solution they proposed was inspired by the ancient Greek MemPalace technique. The idea was to give AI a structured vault for its memory, organized just like rooms in a palace.
And the hype? It was enormous. It got over 5,000 stars on GitHub almost instantly.
People even compared her to Hedy Lamarr, another actress with a history of groundbreaking inventions.
But you know, when a big name gets attached, developers start looking closer. And the story began to change.
So that 100% benchmark score, turns out it was basically like giving the AI an open book test.
And get this, the so-called lossless compression, it just cut sentences short, losing the original info.
Some of the most important advertised features, like contradiction detection, were nowhere to be found in the code.
So when it was actually tested, performance just tanked, from almost 97% down to 17%.
You see, this story fits into a much bigger pattern in the AI space, the benchmark wars.
So, the key takeaway? The marketing claims and the actual code were two totally different things. And if that wasn't enough, a crypto coin with the same name was pumped and dumped within 24 hours.
So it all makes you wonder, in this age of AI, what's the line between a real breakthrough and just a blockbuster?